This is Dr. Castillo and welcome to a new grammar lesson. Today we are going to study ser and estar. In English, it's only the verb to be. In Spanish, we have two, ser and estar. So this lesson will cover some of the most common uses. Uh, it's a very long subject, so we cannot cover all the subject for ser and estar in one lesson. But at least we are going to cover the most common uses. Let's start with this part in which you have here the conjugation. Conjugations here, ser, yo soy, o tú eres, usted es, ella es, o yo estoy, tú estás, usted está, ella está. Here in these two boxes are the uses that we are going to use. Okay, pay attention. Ser, trait, permanent characteristic, not sudden change, is a mood, a location, unexpected change. Okay, let's read the sentences and then we are going to use the yellow boxes. For instance, number one, I am in the library. I am in the library is a location. No, location, estar, in estar, so will be estar. I am in the library, yo estoy. Okay, or let's use estar right now. So we classify as estar. Number two, I am tired. I am tired. Is a trait to my personality or I am describing a mood? Well, I am describing a mood, so will be estar. I am a good student. Is a trait of my personality or is my mood? Well, it's a trait of my personality, so will be ser. So this is the difference. You see the difference here. I am tired. I am describing a mood. It's a star. I am a good student. I am describing a trait. Is ser. So be careful in number 4 or 5. For instance, my car is new. My students say, well, doctor, but new will change. Yeah, it's true. It's going to change. But it's not a sudden change. It might change in a year, in two, in three. I don't know. We don't know. It's not difficult to say, but it's not a sudden change. When we call a sudden change, it's something that changes in a week or two, three. For instance, so my car is new, so you treat it like a no sudden change. So will be ser. Look at the contrast with number 5. In number 5, you say, my car is dirty. Okay, what that means is something that you do expect a change in a week, in 3 days, in 2 weeks. So it's that you expect a sudden change, so will be a star. The sun is at the center of the solar system. Easy, location. Location is a star. Mercury is very hot. Well, you are giving a permanent characteristic of Mercury, Mercury must be very, very hot every day. Mercury is very hot. Ser. Mercury is nearby the sun. Location. Star. Hawaii is an island. Well, you are making a definition. A definition. Hawaii is an island. Is a permanent characteristic. Ser. Hawaii is in the Pacific Ocean. Location. Star. My sister is a hard worker. What? I am defining a mood or a trait? Well, it's a trait. Ser. My sister is happy in this moment. Why I'm describing? A trait or a mood? Well, a mood. Estar. Let's go to the next slide. Look at this here. El sol caliente, hot. So the sun is hot. Oh, what we are doing here? Yes, it's a permanent characteristic, so it will be ser. So the sun is it. Ser es. El sol es caliente. Number two, Canada is at the north of the United States. Well, location, Canada is a it. Location estar. Entonces Canadá está al norte de los Estados Unidos. Canada is a big country. What we are doing, a definition, a permanent characteristic, no, permanent characteristic, ser, Canadá is it, ser es. Canadá es un país grande. Texas is at the south of the United States. Location, Texas and it. Location está, Texas está al sur de los Estados Unidos. Texas is an interesting state o permanente característica, a trait, ser, it, es. Texas es un estado muy interesante. Six, the students are happy because it's the last day of class. It's a trait or a mood. Yes, we are describing a mood. Mood, what is mood? Estar. Entonces los estudiantes is they, estar, están. Los estudiantes están contentos. My car is new. We say it before. It's a no sudden change. Will not change quickly. No, not sudden. So ser, my car is it right here. It, ser es. Mi carro es nuevo. My car is red. Well, again, my students say they like to give me a hard time and say, well, but I can paint it tomorrow in blue. Oh, it's true, but it's not what you expect. When you buy a car in red, well, nobody buy the car and say, okay, I'm gonna change the color tomorrow or next week, no? Normally. So you expect that as a permanent characteristic. So ser es, no? My car is an it. Ser es. My car is sucio, is dirty. My car, okay. Do you expect to change in a short time? So it's a sudden change. So will be ser, I'm sorry, estar. My car is an it. Estar, está. Mi carro está sucio. El nuevo estudiante, the new student is tall. Oh, permanent characteristics. Ser es alto. He, ser es. La nueva estudiante athletic. The new student is athletic. Again, my students say, oh, teacher, but maybe 10 years from now she becomes a lawyer and then she will be lazy and she doesn't want to exercise anymore. I say, yeah, it's true, but at this moment, it's a trait. It's a trait that you don't expect to change. Uh, so you don't expect to change quickly, and a sudden change has to be, and it's a sort of trait. We had to use it like a ser. Say, la nueva estudiante es atlética. La nueva estudiante is in the library. Well, it's a location. Nothing changed here. Simple. Está. Mm. Well, thank you for being with me. I hope this situation helps you. You need more example. You want me to give you more example on that? Just send me an email. Visit my website. Send me an email. Let's see what can I do for you. Well, thank you so much for being with me. See you next time.